Let's make crispy and flavorful brinjal fry. Take a large brinjal and cut it into thick round slices. Make sure the slices are medium, neither too thick nor too thin. Now let's prepare the batter. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour for crispiness, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon dry mango powder, and add salt according to your taste. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add water and mix it into a smooth paste. Now mix everything really well until the batter is smooth and lump-free. Dip each brinjal slice into the batter. Make sure it is completely immersed and both sides are coated nicely with the masala mixture. Once it's properly coated in the batter, then coat with semolina for extra crunch. This way, the semolina sticks well and gives a nice, crunchy texture when we fry it. Once the tawa is hot, drizzle a little oil and let it heat up for a few seconds. Now gently place the coated brinjal slices on the pan and shallow fry until golden and crispy on both sides. Cook them on medium flame, flipping occasionally until both sides turn golden and crispy. Let them cook on one side for 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip and cook the other side. Your delicious brinjal fry is ready. Serve it hot with onion rings, or enjoy it as a side dish with rice, dal, or roti. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such simple and tasty dishes.